totally excited. It's fun.
Yes, it's fine. How can you not be excited?
So, you're getting married.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Good.
And who are you marrying?
Skull tight.
No?
Okay, right to the washroom.
Alright,
Is that the kind of bow you want?
Little does she realize she's going to be skull tight.
Mrs. Skull.
Mrs. Skull Tights. Anything else you want to say for your children soon?
We're getting used to a lot of Mrs. How's that pronounced? What is that?
Or I could do Turkowski shell tights.
Oh yeah, if you do that, you're really doomed.
Okay.
Those two together could be rough.
You guys are so cute in your little butter dresses.
I know, I love the butter. I love light yellow in general.
I love the rouging because it makes you feel so slender.
Yeah, you like all put in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on. Okay. It's very nice.
Aww, yay.
It's out of control, beautiful.
Juiced.
Was that really
Oh, yeah.